Good morning, everyone. This is Christopher International School. This morning, we're looking at basic science, and the topic is nutrition, which will be anchored by Mr. UKACHI Rocket 2020. First and foremost, what is nutrition? Nutrition is defined as the science of food and its relation to what? To our health. When we talk about nutrition, it involves the what? The taking of food into the what? Into the body system. Put it at the back of your mind. I want to also know that the nutrition includes the what? The class of food. As we all know, we have what? The 6 classes of food, which are carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin, minerals, and water. All this will be explained in what? In my note. First and foremost, if I continue, we have classification of food are based on origin and based on chemical composition. We want to talk about classification of by origin. It includes your food of animals and include food of what? Food of animals and food of vegetable origin. Also, we have classification by chemical composition, which include the word protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamin, and what? And mineral. And let's not forget that water is an example of class of food. Now looking at carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the main source of what? Energy. Take note. I want to go about carbohydrate. Example of carbohydrate food are your what? Your rice, your millet, your maize, and so on and so forth. Now we have the sources of carbohydrate. What are they? Starch, sugar, and cellulose. These are the sources of carbohydrate. I'm going to be showing a picture of carbohydrate. That is a picture showing carbohydrate what? Food. Your maize, your bread, your rice, your yam. All these are examples of what? Carbohydrate. Take note of that. Now, protein. Protein are complex organic nitrogenous compounds. Take note that protein is the end product of protein is called the amino acid. And take note that protein helps to repair what? The worn outward tissues in the world, in the body. And I want to also know that I want to go about the fat. The fat has high energy food. Fat serves as vehicle for fat soluble vitamin. Take note of that. And the end product of fat is fatty acid and what? And glycerol. Put this at the back of the word, mind. And I want to also know that vitamins are classified as organic compound. Is that the key? And take note, we have your vitamin is broken into two. We have what we call the fat soluble vitamin and the water soluble vitamin. We want to talk about the fat soluble vitamin, include vitamin A, B, E, and K. Why the water soluble vitamins what? Vitamin B and C. Now, vitamin C is called ascorbic acid. Is a water soluble vitamin. It helps in the what? In the body system, especially in digestion of what? Of food. Put it at the back of your mind. At the back of your mind. Vitamin plays a big role in the what? In the body system. Now, examples of vitamin. Now look at deficiency of vitamin. Vitamin C results in scovic, the sign of which are swollen and breathing gums. Take note of that. Scovic is a biggest deficiency of what? Of vitamin C. Now, function of vitamin D. Promotes intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Increase tubular reabsorption of what? Of phosphorus. Take note of that. Now, deficiency of vitamin E. That when that vitamin A is not much in the body, what are the deficiency? Night blindness. Is that the key? Conjunctivitis extrosis. Put the back of your mind. Keratomalacia. Take note of this also. Is that the key? Now, also deficiency of vitamin D. We have ricket and what and osteomalacia. That what deficiency of what vitamin D. Now, nutrients. We'll talk about nutrients here. Nutrients are what organic and inorganic complex contained in food. Is that the case? It's very important. We have the macronutrients and the micronutrients. Now, when you say macronutrients, they are required by animals in large quantity, while your micronutrients are required by animals in small quantity. Now, example of macronutrient include your protein.